Hello all, TechGeek311 here with another app review and tutorial covering ToToDo. Alright, today's app review and tutorial is going to cover the productivity app ToToDo. Let's go into the App Store so I can go ahead and show you it. And right here you can see this is ToToDo, and this basically is a productivity app that gives you a list of all your to-dos that you set. You can see your current date on the very top. As it says, you tap the plus button, you can switch and arrange your to-do or today, tomorrow, someday. You can go in here and this is your intro screen, or in other words your input screen. You have your title, your information, your due date, repeat. This is how your notifications come up unless you have it set for banners. You get a full calendar, so you can set your dates, a week, a month, a day, whatever it is ahead. And of course you have your settings. Then we have in here your description. Gives you all the info about what it can do. It uses the alert notifications. You have in here what's new. This app, though, the last update was February of 2012. I did talk to the developer on this one. They told me they're not planning on updating this app for iOS 7 or anything. The app still works, though, but they don't plan on doing the update. So you go in here in developer and you can see they only have one application. We go in here to the purchases. You can remove the ads in this, so I've never seen the ads before, but you can remove it for 99 cents. And then you can see the version history. The last one was February of 2012. This app came out back in October of 2010. Alright, so we're going to get into this application now, ToToDo. As you can see, it has today's date on the top. You have the plus button on the right. On the bottom left, you have a little arrow where you can sort it by your due date, your priorities. We have a today, we have tomorrow, and we have someday. Go in here to the little settings icon. You can change your sort, however you want to sort it. You can go into show, where you can say your completed task. You can choose until the date changes, your minutes, hours, and days. You have your completion rate that you can turn on or off. You can figure out here if you wanted to show the done or not. To star it, you can change the font size. You can make the font bold. And on the bottom you have a little sample. Shows you what it's going to look like. Going back in the settings, you have your notifications, you have your alert. You can choose no sound, the default sound, or any one of these 4 or 5 on the bottom. So any one of these you want to choose. You have your sync. You can do a background sync or a startup sync. These all sync with the other app, Toodledo. I think that's how you pronounce it. You can also switch your someday button. So you can tap the someday button in order to switch it. This is if you wanted to customize it somehow. And then of course you have the remove ads, which you can purchase on the bottom. Going back into the application, this one, the app badge will update after midnight. The unfortunate thing is that when iOS 7 comes out, I don't know if this application is going to be compatible or not. For right now, it does work. So if we go in here to today, go into add, let's go in here and we're going to type in here, test this app. Like I said, we can choose the date, or you can choose any other day in the month that you want, or another month or another year, whatever you want to do. You can go in here and you can set the repeats if you want it to repeat. It gives you all the way on the bottom here, either repeat every day, every other day of the month, X amount of days. So you have a lot of customized choices here. And then of course your notifications. So you can set your notification times, whatever you want to do. You can star it, and you can also set its priority. Then if you want to add notes, let's say his note, and then you hit save. You'll see how it shows up. If I tap on here, I unstar it. If If I tap on here again, I start. If I tap on it, the whole thing, you get another edit screen with your note. If we go back out again, you'll see we have the app badge for today. Automatically shows up. Go into tomorrow, you'll see I have nothing for tomorrow, and someday I have nothing in there. When you get done with this, it's very easy. Just check that little box, and you're going to get that little done signal. And it's going to tell you also how many percentage of complete that you have. So if you have this list with 5 or 10 or whatever, it'll tell you how much you've already completed. Once you check it off, your app badge goes away, back on the screen. When you're done, slide your finger across and delete. If you don't want to save them, just delete them that way. And that's it. And that's basically what this application does. It's a productivity app. It'll help you with all your tasks and to-dos. And I wish that the developer would update it for 2013 or iOS 7. But so far, if you want to use it, I recommend it. The app badge does update after midnight, so it is worthwhile in that sense. Alright, so I hope you guys like this review and tutorial. And as always, like and subscribe to my videos below. I thank you for watching, and I will bring you more stuff as they come around. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.